Purchasing unit trust has never been so easy with your retirement savings. Let's get started by simply logging into your R account using the following steps. Once you have logged in, click on the Investment tab for Unit Trust Investment. Then, select Tab Transactions and there are 3 options available. We will now walk you through how to buy funds. You can select up to 8 funds from 5 management institutions in a single buy transaction. Key in the desired amount you wish to invest and click Proceed to check out. Make sure the details submitted are accurate and click Buy button on the Philip Mature bar. Tick the checkbox if you agree with the terms and conditions and click OK. You will be redirected to eUnit Trust website. Log into your eUnit Trust account with your credentials. If you are new, kindly select Open a new account and fill in account opening details. At Buy Transaction page, you will see funds of your choice. We have the prospectus, product highlight sheets, fact sheet and fund details should you require further information. Tick the checkbox if you agree with the terms and conditions and click Proceed. At the Transfer Gateway page, tick the checkbox if you agree with the terms and conditions. Request and key in TAC verification code and click Proceed. You may print application transfer summary and click Next. You're done!